Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use lock-on feature in CapCut apps to make the follow focus video. Alright, so tap on your project, select your video you like to edit, and I'm just going to select my project. So right, I'm going to select other project. So to add the lock on feature, you can select the clip and select lock on. Select lock on and clear. Before, previously I added the lock on effect. So lock on and select face, body or hand to lock. For example, I'm select face and then click start and applying lock on effect. So you can see the lock on pass. So it takes a long time. Right, and you can see the final result. So this is the follow focus object, and you can see the frame are following the object. Yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.